Sending Bitcoin from Venmo to another wallet is a straightforward process that allows you to transfer your cryptocurrency easily. Here's how to do it. Open the Venmo app. Start by launching the Venmo app on your mobile device and logging into your account. Access your crypto section. Tap on the three lines icon in the upper left corner to open the menu. Select Manage Balance, then scroll down to find your cryptocurrency holdings, including Bitcoin. Select Bitcoin. Tap on Bitcoin to view your balance. You will see options related to your cryptocurrency transactions. Choose Send. Look for the option to send Bitcoin and select it. Venmo may prompt you to confirm that you want to send cryptocurrency. Enter wallet address. Input the recipient's Bitcoin wallet address. Be sure to double check the address, as sending to an incorrect address may result in a loss of funds. Specify amount. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you wish to send. Confirm the transaction. Review the details and confirm the transaction. Venmo may charge a fee for the transfer, which will be displayed before you finalize.